A tennis hall is being built in Växjö. Not an ordinary one, but the world's first internationally certified passive house tennis hall. The building will be ready by summer 2012, has 4 courts, and wood is the predominant material both inside and outside. We meet up with Stefan Edberg, who will operate this unique hall, with Carl Axel Hagskog and Magnus Larsson.
Hi, this is Stefan Edberg. Welcome to the 16th Passive House Conference in Hanover.
Why did you want to build a tennis hall in Växjö?
Well, obviously working together with Södra for quite a long time, we had the opportunity through an architect competition to create the new tennis concept, tennis arena for the future, and that was something that I really felt was something that I wanted to do, and do something for the future of tennis halls as well.
More than 200 architects entered the contest. What were your most important criteria regarding energy and environmental impact?
Well, through the architect competition, obviously there were some criteria which was important, that it was built in a wooden structure, that it was energy efficient for the future, and it was a tennis concept hall as well. And I think the main point for the future of big arenas is to keep the energy consumption as close to zero as you can, and that was really the main target and to make.
When did you first hear about the passive house concept?
Living outside of Växjö in Sweden, obviously I've been very much aware about passive technique building houses, because there's been quite a few projects going around here in Växjö, so I've known about it for quite some time. So therefore it was very important that you could do something for bigger arenas as well, because a lot of energy is consumed through big arenas, and to do something for the future was something that I really was looking for if I could be part of.
What do you think about running a passive house instead of an ordinary building?
First of all, I'm very proud to be part of the new passive tennis arena here in Växjö. It's something that we worked with for quite some time to take place, and to be part of this tennis hall of the future is something that I'm very proud of. And obviously to run the tennis here in this hall together with some of my friends is something that I've been looking forward to for quite some time. And you know, hopefully a lot of effect here will take place, that we can create some new talents, and so it's going to be very good.
Will you be playing in this hall yourself?
Well, since I've been part of this new tennis arena from the beginning, obviously I will play a lot of tennis in this new arena together with some of my friends. I will be part of the new concept in this hall that will take place here, and obviously we'll have a lot of talents here, and obviously maybe one day we'll have one of the great tennis players coming from this area.
Now that the hall is nearly finished, and you can tell the difference from an ordinary building and experience the comfort, what is your message to developers who plan to build new or renovate existing buildings?
Well, being part of this first tennis passive arena in the world, I think it's a very important message to builders and a lot of owners of property. The future is about saving energy, and I think that's a very important message, that everybody can take responsibility of building arenas for the future, and building in a good structure, in an energy sufficient way.
If one would build 10 similar tennis halls in Sweden, 3 million kilowatt hours would be saved every year compared to ordinary buildings. Are environmental issues important to you, and how do you handle them in your everyday life?
Environmental issues is very important to all of us today. It's very important to me, and I think as an individual you should be aware about it. You should be able to do something about it, and that's the important message for everybody today, is that energy is going to be very much needed for the future, but we need to save energy as much as we can, because it's very important, and obviously for the environment, if we can help doing it together, that would make a lot of difference for the future generations. I'm very proud to be part of the first tennis passive arena here in Växjö. I think it's very important to be part of this in order to save energy through building techniques for the future. So this is a very important message. I think we all together can make a difference. Good luck to you.